Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. I'm Daisy and today we'll be learning how to get the famous laminated eyebrows. 5 steps, easy at home, save your coins friendly, DIY tutorial, but first, it's story time. Okay, so last year I had my first ever experience with eyebrow lamination. At first, I was really happy, fell completely in love with the results. I was able to skip my eyebrows routine for days. Suddenly, my eyebrows were falling off, as you can see in the pictures. I wasn't happy at all, and it took me about 6 months to regrow my hair. So I'm sharing this alternative so you don't have to go through hell as I did. Let's get into the video. Brief comparison of the result we aim to achieve in today's look. I'm using this baby hairbrush to brush all the messy hairs and sort of visualize the style we aim to achieve. Here I'm plucking the hair, and of course I'm using tweezers. There's different ways you can do this. Just feel free to use your own method, or you may as well skip this step if you're trying to achieve a much more natural look. But I prefer to remove all the unwanted hair and create definition to the eyebrow. I'm going to be using the Got2b gel. Everything is linked in the description down below. You can use any other gel that's more convenient for you, and I will also be using a comb. You don't have to apply too much gel. I'm giving you some reference so you know. The application is by pressing the gel towards the eyebrow. So we lock the gel, it doesn't move, it stays in place. And we also have to make sure that we are doing this upward motion, so upwards, as you can see in the video. I'm using the brush that comes with the eyebrow pencil. You can use any other brush you wish. All we need to do is brush the hair upwards and slightly pressing the brush towards the eyebrow, just like before. Can you see the definition this brush provides? Yeah, I love this. Wow. Alright, so for last touch-ups, I'm using the gel again. This will help us lock everything in place. This is the ultimate step, you guys. Make sure you do this because you will notice the difference. Okay, Okay guys, so you want to make sure that you always brush upwards. You don't want to mess your eyebrows now that we got here, right? Last but not least, I'm using wipes to clean around the eyebrow area. Alright, so thank you so much for watching the video. Sending you some virtual hugs. Make sure you subscribe and looking forward to seeing you soon. Laters!